I love making the teriyaki cauliflower wings. Your friends and family will love these appetizers. Whether they're carnivores, veggie lovers, or paleo, they're gonna love these. They're so delicious. And they're healthy. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable, which is really good for you. It's a power food, superfood. Crispy, delicious. Everyone's gonna love these. These are a great appetizer. Wish you could try one of these. So good.